What's up, everybody? I'm Brian from I1Tesla, and what's been happening in some of these big cities with the theft and breaking into these Teslas is pretty disturbing. But what's happening is, the way they're getting in, they're busting out this window here and reaching their hand in and unlocking the seat or pulling the seat down, and then they can see in to see what's in the trunk to see if you have anything in there. As you can see, my windows are tinted legally darker than what it is outside, because you can actually still see inside, but the camera doesn't see that really. But that's what they're doing. They're busting this window out because the alarm doesn't go off, and they're able to pull that down to see what's in there, and if there's anything good in there, they bust this window out and open the door and get in your trunk. Well, that really, really sucks. There's always gonna be bad people out there. There's some people that have tried to fix the problem. One of the solutions is you can tint the windows, and that makes it harder to bust all the way through. When you break the window, it all stays together and it's harder to get into there. Get ceramic tint. The second solution is, you may have seen this, this is drop lock. Tesla Raj, don't mind the cuts on my hand, that's part of this project that happened a couple days ago. Let me switch hands. Raj contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in doing a video on this, and I said, of course. These look pretty cool. They were all over the websites, and it looked very interesting. They 3D printed this, and it is just a wedge that goes in there, stops them from pulling the handle to flip the seat down. Pretty cool idea. Pretty cool design. It is 3D printed, so you can see the lines and everything, but it's nice and bright orange, easy to see when you're outside. When someone's looking in the car. Let me show you how it goes in. Just like this. You take it, and I'm just kidding. There's a right and a left. You just take it and push it right into place. And that's all you need to do. It's actually pretty easy. Inside there so you can see what it would be like during the daytime when light's coming through here. But as someone comes up to look to see if you have anything in there, they're gonna see, well, me, the reflection, they're gonna see the drop lock right in there. Hello. They're going to see the drop lock, or they're going to see something that's locked right in there. Let me show you what else they have in the box for you. They also have a decal that you put on the window as a lock sign with seat locked. And I put mine on the top because right there, you can kind of see already in the tint, you can see that there's a lock there. Pretty cool idea. It is really hard to get that off. They do offer something that, so you can remove it. You go to Lowe's or Home Depot and you want to pick something up and you need to drop the seat. Well, if you're going to pick up 2x4s, you should check out my ski pass-through video, and then you won't need to drop the seats down. But anyway, self-promotion. So it's a great idea, and they're cheap. I think they're $25. Great idea. Super cheap. I'll have a link down below. You're helping out a couple YouTubers, Tesla YouTubers that are starting to get going. He makes good content. They sent me these out for the video and to test out and everything, and to bring these out to the open. I love the idea of this thing, to really showcase that you have something in place, that to don't mess with my seats, don't mess with my windows, but also have the ease of use. If there was only a person out there that could make something a little easier to use, but also take someone's safety idea and go one step farther. I got an idea. I think it's great. This lock is in place. You can't really grab it. Someone's gonna bust through here from the side window over here. They're not gonna be able to grab in there and pull your seat down. There's just no way it's gonna happen. But what if you go to the lumberyard? What if you go pick something up? Wouldn't it be great if there was an easier way? Oh, by the way, does your trunk do that yet? Wouldn't it be great if you can just drop that seat down without messing with pulling that thing out? Well, look what I have here. This emergency door latch strap that looks like it's the same one from here, which it is. What I've done here, I put a pull cable, and then that releases the seat. Now, this is not a how-to video. I'm not showing you how to do this. I'm sure there's a bunch of engineers out there that can figure out a better way than I did. But what I did, I took that apart, and that handle has a cable running over to that hook. Well, I disconnected that hook, and it's basically just a brake line from a bicycle. I ran a new cable down the bottom of the seat, along the side, out to the back. Now you have the seats locked up like you want them locked up, so no one can get in there and bust your window and see anything back there. But also, you have the convenience of releasing the seat when you want to, without having to take that out. because that thing is not very easy to get out. It can come out. Once you're in the car, it makes it a little easier, but through this window, it makes it really tough to get that thing out. So do I recommend the drop locks? Yes, I do. I do recommend them. Click the link down below. I'm not getting anything out of this. I'm just helping out another YouTuber because I think it's a great idea. And I like to promote the great ideas that are out there. Like the bandit license plate bracket. That's a great idea. I didn't get anything out of that. I just helped out a friend. Am I recommending you reconnect a new cable line for your seat? I don't. That did cut my hand up pretty good. I was a little familiar with the seats from actually doing the ski pass through. So I kind of knew I was going in there, but there's a lot of sharp metal in there that it really cut the crap out of me. But I think it's really cool. The product and what I did was pretty cool. I only did it to one seat though so far. Go out and pick up your drop locks, link below. Help out Raj and secure what's in your trunk. You might not have anything back there, but I think with the sticker on there and them seeing this is gonna make a lot of thieves just move on to the next car. And I think it's well worth the $25. And if you just want the sticker, it's still $25, but you get these with it for free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I got some awesome videos. Join my Patreon. If you don't see your sticker up there yet, it's coming. The company I used to make these got bought out, and the new guy is going through all the other stuff. So they're on their way. They're coming. And once again, stay awesome, stay positive, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you, everybody.